YouTube, 2018 Honda Accord. We're showing you how to replace the rear pads and rotors with the electronic e-brake system. I'm going to show you how to do this without a scan tool as well. If you're doing this at home, not everybody has a scan tool that is capable of putting it in service mode, so I'm going to show you the other option. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. It's the last car today. Hopefully we don't get interrupted by somebody, but y'all know how it is if you watch my videos. First thing we're going to do is get the spring out of our way. And if your pads didn't come with a new one, don't discard that. Next, we're going to unplug the sensor, and I don't know why Honda decided to go to this Volkswagen style crap, but the easiest way to do that is just stick your little screwdriver right there in the very tip and pry back. It pulls up on the clip right there. All right. Now remove your little covers, dust covers. Grab you with a 7mm Allen socket. Push the slides out. You don't have to take it completely out if you don't want to. Wiggle your caliper off. Just kind of flip it out of the way. Grab your old pads. And I did get new springs with mine, so go ahead and put that in place. All right, now we got to get this bracket off, and we're going to get the rotor off. Grab you a 17mm or an 11/16. If you have standard tools. These bolts are pretty tight, so show you a mechanic's trick with the palm. That'll help break it loose a little bit without having to smash your knuckles, hopefully. And utilize both your hands. Alright. Set our bracket out of the way here. Now we got to get this rotor off. Well, where's me electric gun with the Phillips bits? Did I leave it over on the other side here? Yes, I did. All right, the number 3 Phillips bit. Just leave that in there like that. Wiggle your rotor off. Now if the rotor don't come right off, just hammer it a little bit. That's where we put our used metal for the guys to come pick up. Now before I got all this crap in my way, I'm going to go ahead and reset this piston. What size is this? It's a 5mm Allen head. And if you have Torx bit sockets, you can use those too. It acts like a 12-point. Matter of fact, I'll show y'all because I did break them out because most of the time it is Torx bits on those actuators. So what size? Probably like a T30. First try. T30, I was right. So you can use a T30 if you don't have Allen sockets. And now wiggle your actuator off. Set that right there. All right. Now, let me grab my little piston pushback tool, or you can do this channel locks, really long channel locks. Probably a C-clip would work better, or C-clamp. Put a little pressure on that. Now grab you a pair of pliers and spin this guy back as you're pushing back. And as you're spinning it, notice the piston's going back. Keep going until the piston don't push back no more. Alright, it'll stop. And just slowly back it up a little bit. You'll see when it starts coming back out. Okay, now let's put our actuator back on. Come on, line up. Might have to spin that a little bit more. So you get the right. There we go. Okay. Now, okay. All right. Kind of just lean that out of our way, but not in our way. Now, if your rotor has oil on it, as a box, clean it off real good. Front and back, of course, with some brake cleaner or some hot water and dish soap works fine too. Line her up with the hole. Now, start that by hand, a couple turns. I've been doing this long enough to where I can do that. I know it's a no-no. All right, grab that bracket. Okay. Nice and tight. All right, now the springy and the warning indicator goes on the inside, y'all. All right, push your slides back, making sure your brake hose ain't all twisted up. Start these a few turns. Snug them down. Dust boots. Make sure y'all put the dust boots back in. It keeps dirt and stuff from getting in there and causing them slides to stick on you. All right, now grab your new spring if you got one. If not, use your old one, it'll be fine. Just kind of get it started in there and take your thumb, push it in all the way, and then put your wheel on, torque her down, and pump your pedal up. Actuate your e-brake a couple times, That'll reset it. It's that simple. Make sure you plug it back in, of course, so you hear it click. That's how you do it, y'all. Anyways, I hope y'all liked this video. Hope y'all found it informative. Y'all please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. We didn't get interrupted. That's crazy. Peace out, YouTube.